Creating private name servers at register.com. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through register.com and starts from their home page. Now let's learn how to create our own custom private name servers. Click Login to sign into your account. Enter your username and password to log in. In your account dashboard, hover over the Domains icon, then click Manage. Click the Manage link next to the domain you want to create custom name servers for. Scroll down, then click Manage Registered Name Servers. Under the Registered DNS Server section, enter your new name server and associated IP address, then click Continue. Click Continue to confirm. Now repeat the process to create your second name server. That's it! You've successfully created custom private name servers for your domain name. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new private name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create private name servers at register.com.